Who is that? Who is that? Your hair came out, Bailey. Bailey, who is that? A Buzz? Are you making him kiss Jessie? What are you doing, honey? Where's Bullseye? Where's Bullseye? Where's Bullseye? Oh, they're kissing? Are you making them kiss? Okay. Why is he pushing his hand on her face? Huh? Hat? Yeah. Hey, where's Bullseye? Bullseye? Bailey, who's this? Bullseye. Who's Buzz? Is he flying? Fly? Are you making him fly? Hey, Bella. Ow! Hey, baby. What'd you get? What is it? Maybe Daddy can open it? Tell Dad. Dad, open my present. It's her Barbie cash register. I just like when she says Bullseye. Who's that, Bailey? Who is that, Bailey? Bailey, who's that? Bailey, who is that? Who's that? Who is that? Horse? What's his name? Bullseye. Jessie? Okay. Oh my gosh.
I don't know who Bailey's sleeping with tonight.
Your little pigtails are falling out. Don't let go, Bailey. It would hurt Mom. Are you swinging, Jessie? Oh, Bailey, what did dinosaurs say? Bailey, what does a dinosaur say? Bailey, why are they fighting? What does a dinosaur say? Hello? She's not even listening to me. Bailey, what does a dinosaur say? Bailey. Bullseye. What does a dinosaur say? Bailey, what does a dinosaur say?
No!
Roar!
No! Bunny!
She won't do it. Where's my Bella? Bella! Hey, pretty girl. What are you playing with, honey? I'm trying to take a video of you. Show me what that is. What is that? It's a what? Cash register? A cool cash register?
I love these football style and boxing glove style jig heads because it keeps the crab laying flat.
Bella, you're so cute.
And has already pre-scented these particular
I think we're going to do her hair like that for her first day
shrimp and crab scent.
of school.
That you want to employ using the Z-Man crab is much different than the Z-Man shrimp. It's not up and down like
Are you checking out
you want to drag it.
food items or something?
Half a foot at a time, then you want to stop. Touch the elastic
Oh,
string. Z-Man crab can actually come up
Bullseye.
if you're a big crab.
Can you say hi to TT Amanda and TT Amber? Bella. Bella. She's totally ignoring me. Why is she totally ignoring me?
I've been doing it all day.
You're like in her own little world.
Leave her alone. She needs signal on you. Yeah, baby.
Who's that? Well, Bailey will talk to me, and then we'll just put Bailey in the video. Where's your hat? Okay, I'm fixing her hat. I'm going to fix her hat. Can you close the curtain, Bailey? I'm getting a gleam in my picture. Who's this? Jesse? Hold on. Bye.